Welcome to my video. What are the types of printers? In today's lesson, we are going to explore a topic that is fundamental to computing, offices, education, and modern communication. The focus of this video is understanding what printers are and the different types of printers available today. Printers are output devices that convert digital information into physical form, usually on paper. From schools and homes to businesses and industries, printers play an essential role in turning electronic documents into readable, shareable, and permanent records. Understanding the various types of printers help users make better decisions when choosing the right printer for a specific need, for specific needs rather. Printers have evolved significantly over the years. Early printers were large, noisy, and slow, producing only basic text. Modern printers are faster, quieter, and more efficient, and capable of producing high-quality text, images, and graphics. Some printers are designed for simple everyday tasks, while others are built for professional publishing, industrial manufacturing, or large-scale office environments. As technology advances, printers continue to adapt to new demands such as wireless connectivity, mobile printing, and energy efficiency. One of the most commonly known types of printers is the impact printer. Impact printers operate by physically striking an ink ribbon against paper to form characters or images. These printers were widely used in the early days of computing and are still used in specific environments today. They are particularly useful where carbon copies or multi-part forms are required because the physical impact allows printing through multiple layers of paper. Although impact printers are noisy and produce lower print quality compared to modern alternatives, they remain valuable in certain industries due to their durability and low operating costs. Another major category is non-impact printers. Unlike impact printers, non-impact printers do not strike the paper physically. Instead, they use methods such as ink spraying, heat, or light to produce output. Non-impact printers are quieter, faster, and capable of producing high-quality prints. Most modern printers fall into this category, making them the most commonly used printers today in homes, offices, and institutions. Inkjet printers are among the most popular types of non-impact printers. They work by spraying tiny droplets of liquid ink onto paper to create text and images. Inkjet printers are widely used because they are affordable, compact, and capable of producing high-quality color prints. They are ideal for users, students, and small offices. Inkjet printers are especially known for their ability to print photographs with fine detail and vibrant colors, making them a favorite for creative and personal use. Laser printers are another important type of non-impact printer. These printers use laser technology and toner powder to produce prints. Laser printers are known for their speed, efficiency, and sharp text quality. They are commonly used in offices and business environments where large volumes of documents need to be printed quickly and consistently. Although laser printers are usually more expensive upfront than inkjet printers, they often have lower cost per page and require less frequent replacement of consumables. Thermal printers represent a specialized category of printers that use heat to produce images on specially treated paper. These printers are widely used in point-of-sale systems, ATMs, supermarkets, and ticketing systems. Thermal printers are fast, quiet, and reliable, making them ideal for printing receipts and labels. Because they do not reuse ink or toner, maintenance requirements are generally low. However, thermal prints may fade over time, especially when exposed to heat or sunlight. Dot matrix Dot matrix printers are a well-known example of impact printers. They print characters by striking pins against an ink ribbon, forming patterns of dots on paper. Dot matrix printers are commonly used in environments where continuous paper is required, such as accounting departments and logistic operations. Their ability to print on multiple layer forms and withstand harsh conditions makes them suitable for industrial use. Despite their lower print quality, they remain relevant in specific applications. Photo printers are designed specifically for producing high-quality photographic prints. These printers are often are often these printers are often inkjet based, but use specialized inks and papers to achieve accurate colors and fine details. Photo printers are popular among photographers, designers, and creative professionals who require precise image reproduction. Some photo printers are compact and designed for home use, while others are large format printers used in professional studios. All-in-one printers, also known as multifunction printers, combine several functions into a single device. These printers can print, scan, copy, and sometimes fax documents. All-in-one printers are popular in homes and small offices because they save space and reduce the need for multiple devices. They are available in both inkjet and laser models, offering flexibility based on user requirements. 3D printers represent a modern and innovative type of printer that goes beyond printing on paper. These printers create three-dimensional objects by building them layer by layer using materials such as plastic, resin, or metal. 3D printers 3D printers are used in manufacturing, education, healthcare, and engineering. They allow users to produce prototypes, tools, and custom parts, making them a powerful technology for innovation and design. Large format printers are designed for printing on large paper sizes. These printers are commonly used for banners, posters, blueprints, and architectural drawings. They are widely used in advertising. They are widely used in advertising, construction, and graphic design industries. Large format printers can handle high resolution images and are essential for producing visually impactful materials. At this stage, if this video is educative, take a moment to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook to stay informed. Turn on notifications so that you not miss my next video, and engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. As we continue, it is important to understand that choosing the right type of printer depends on several factors. These include the purpose of printing, the volume of work, print quality requirements, operating costs, and available space. A home user may prioritize affordability and color quality, while a business may focus on speed, reliability, and cost efficiency. By understanding the different types of printers, users can make informed decisions that suit their specific needs. Technology continues to influence printer design and functionality. Modern printers often support wireless printing, cloud integration, and mobile device compatibility. These features allow users to print documents directly from smartphones, tablets, and online platforms. Environmental considerations have also led to the development of energy-efficient printers and eco-friendly consumables. In conclusion, printers are essential tools in today's digital world, bridging the gap between electronic information and physical documents. From traditional impact printers to advanced 3D printers, each type serves a unique purpose. Understanding the types of printers and their applications help individuals and organizations choose the right solution for their printing needs. As technology continues to evolve, printers will remain an important part of communication, creativity, and productivity. I believe you have understood the types of printers. Finally, before you leave, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook also to stay updated. Turn on notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Also engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Endeavor to watch my other videos also to learn more. Bye until my next video.